Okay, here we go. So today we've got a new product in. It's called the Yolobox. It's a portable live stream studio. I think you can do up to 2 camera angles with it. We just got it in. We did it through a Kickstarter, I think. So I figured, people all around the world are doing these unboxings. Why don't we do it? We got a lot of products coming in here, so we might as well show you what's going on with them. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. We also have the Sling Studio. I don't know if you've heard of that. It's up to 10 cameras that you can do. There you go. Yeah, up to 10 cameras. This, I think, just does 2. So it looks like it's just basically a monitor. So let's take a look over here up close. Okay, so we've got 2 HDMI ins. USB 3, HDMI out, a LAN, RJ45, audio in, and USB Type-C. Probably used for power. The USB-C, I'm guessing. Let's see the other side. Okay, that's probably a power button. SD card slot. This is just to attach to some sort of stand. Yeah, that's for a SIM card. That's very useful. So then you just be ready to go. Oh, and then there's an audio out. Okay, cool. So obviously you can use it as a monitor, and I'm sure you can do all the switching right here. It pops out a little, keep it clean inside. So there's got to be a little pin to pop out the SIM. There you go, YOLO Live. It's nice. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we've got, oh, that's it, yeah. There you go, pop out the SIM. We all recognize these. And if you lost one, now you got another one. Yeah, here it is, SIM, eject SIM. Okay. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, what do we have here? We have USB-C cable, USB 3, sorry. A ball head mount, so you can just put this on top of your camera and get going. A little bag to storage bag. This is going to be the HDMI to USB 3.0 converter. We'll look at that in a second. Yeah, there you go. There's the USB 3 cable. And this is just going to be some HDMI cables for sure. All right, let's take a look at this one first. Yeah, it's USB to HDMI converter. Let's take a close look. Look at the build quality. All right, there you go. It's everything's made of kind of a nice aluminum, so it's light but sturdy. There you go, HDMI to 3.0. It's got a power LED and a charging LED, I'd assume. Once again, it's almost like the build quality of the actual Yolobox itself, which, as you can see, is super prone to fingerprints. Just a little bit, I've been carrying it right now. It's just really, really fingerprinted up. So aside from that, you've just got your HDMI cables. They're orange inside. That's different. Haven't really seen too many orange HDMI cables. What's the brand? There you go. Can you see that? That's the brand. USB 3 cable, that's not very interesting. This USB-C cable. If anybody has a Huawei phone, I bought a P20 for my wife, and it had this kind of purple USB-C cable. It's exactly the same as hers. Yeah, aside from that, we just have this. It's a power adapter, yeah. So we're gonna end up using that USB-C cable for power I'm just going to go on a limb and just guess that. So the good news is you could use a power bank also. There you go. You know, this actually looks quite like the one we got with the Huawei also. And, you know, it supported like fast charging. I can check that out later, but it's not really that important, is it? Yeah, so that's it. That's the Yolobox. This is the Yolobox Pro, or I think Extra, or Yolobox Plus, I guess. It has 2 HDMIs instead of just one. And this one can do 2 cameras, I'm sure. Like there's another Yolobox that just does 1 camera. But I mean, because of the compact size, that's actually pretty useful. You could just bring it with you, and then just all of a sudden you could live stream even just to your personal page, you know. That'll be kind of cool. Show people what you're doing. So yeah, that's about it. That's the Yolobox, Yolo Live. I hope you guys got some information out of this, and if you guys have used this, let us know what you think, and stay tuned for more of these sort of unboxings, and let us know if there's any feedback, something I should do different. If you like the macro angle, if you think I should add one more angle for something else, open to suggestions, open to feedback. So let me know what you think, guys. Have a good day, and stay tuned for more reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and all around camera cool stuff. See you guys later.